How to add flip cards to Wix. So the easiest way to add flip cards is by using a third-party tool called ElfSite. You can just go to elfsite.com, then sign up for an account, and from in there you can just go to your catalog and then searching here for the flip card. So let me type right here flipbook. So we have in here this. So you can click on it right there. You can choose in here the template of how it will look like. They have in here the flip card for brochures, ebooks, menus, product catalogs, as well as business proposals and a lot more. So they also have in here online documents, portfolio, lookbooks, and links. So for this case, let me head over and choose in here this particular part, which is actually the fashion lookbook. Let's click on it right here and click onto this continue with this template. Now you can upload in here a PDF or add a PDF by link. So this flip book or flip card will actually utilize PDFs. So make sure to choose in here a PDF of your liking. So I have uploaded right here this PDF. So this is what that will look like. Click onto this publish option that we can see right there. And then once it's published, click onto this close. Now it will open in here our flipbook, so click onto this install option, click onto this copy code, and then head back right here to your Wix. Now from in there, next thing we need to do is to just head over and then add in here an iframe. Click onto this edit code option, and then from in there, just paste in here what we have copied earlier. So let me head over and paste. From in there, click onto this update, and then our actual flip card will be added right here once it's done loading. So it will actually prompt us to show us in here this flip card, and we have the option to flip it based on the page that we need by just click on this arrow options. So that's how you add flip cards to Wix. Hope we help.